Like for
Let's kick off the program with our host, Miss What is up, Tim?
Not too shy, come closer, come on, come closer.
Yes, I know you guys are all enjoying.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mix Gomez.
My name is Ayana Perlas.
And my name is Matthew Pereira, and welcome. Rudy and Rui. Lalo ng basketball yung mga kasama nating mga, right?
Yes.
So it's not just the product, it's also having some activities to do while you're at it.
Diba? Imagine that this one is all about staying healthy and also
of you ready to take on the 10-kilometer challenge and reconnect your dedication and commitment.
Oh!
As we move together towards better health. No? And today, just to share.
And it has been a really good
ito naman, means I feel like our 10K run in just a little bit. Ito na lang po, check ko lang po yung
PH Care, Celatec, and Myra, makikita po natin yan sa ating
For 10K runners, we now proceed to the starting line.
Try yan. Thank you.
Doing something mean to it, do it better than anybody else.
That's four. That's three. That's two. Do one more. Good job.
Raffle. We will be giving away a Garmin Sports Watch. So please stay tuned for that. You have to be present to claim that Garmin Sports Watch later on at 7 a.m. So after you get the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Yan, sa mga nagpa-vlog dyan, itag nyo kami at OneSonePH and at Unilab and use our hashtag share the Alana Run.
Congrats po. Thank you.
Congrats po.
Hi ma'am! Hi sir, congrats po! Sir,
Thank you,
congrats! Hi ma'am, congrats po! Congrats po!
Watch sa mga runners natin. We would like to flash it on the screen. Ito na, win a Garmin Forerunner 55.
Sir, selfie na kayo sir habang umiinom nga para ano po.
Sige. Sarap.
Also going to be joined by someone who is also very beautiful. Alam naman natin that this is a collaborative run from Watsons and by Watsons and Unilab. Kaya naman, let's call on our Unilab representative, our Unilab Key Account Manager, Miss Jer.
This distance, but it represents something powerful. It represents inclusion, families,
main story sa isa. And then i-events with you sa silent exam.
Sa ating mga batang finishers.
Uy, puti.
Parang gusto ko naman mag-selfie siya. Parang gusto ko naman mag-selfie. Congratulations once again.
Yung pizza niya gumagalaw eh.
Diba?
Okay, maraming salamat. Ito, sige, tawagin na natin ang ating last fast runner for City. 117.
They're finishing 10K. Sobrang nangyari.
Usog na po kayo dito, ma'am.
Ito na. Sa starting line, naka-wheelchair.
Ulit.